The challenging and perilous work of firefighters has always been considered honorable and earned respect from those around them. These guys train extensively and are always ready to lend a hand in difficult situations. If you didn't understand what this person is doing and you're curious to find out, you'll be surprised. But in this clever way, they're planting future grass on the roadside after laying new asphalt. This master is creating a masterpiece on the wall, a large and voluminous painting of the Great Wall of China. And the entire process of creating such a project takes more than 3 months. A table made of epoxy resin might not impress many anymore. So these inventors went further and started pouring the supports on which the table rests. What could be cooler than walls done in crocodile skin style? A chef skilled in vegetable slicing at the level of an industrial machine is irreplaceable in a large kitchen. They must be careful, otherwise, they might slice their fingers instead of cabbage. All girls love sweets, especially candies, and if these treats also look beautiful, then you won't have a chance to pass by without buying such a delicious marvel. Everyone knows that carpets on the floor collect a lot of dust and need to be washed at least once a year. And for some, this is just a job, but they find pleasure in it. A professional lumberjack always knows how to properly fell a tree to keep it intact, and it doesn't take much time or effort. Here's a way to turn a black square into a designer decoration in the form of a granite stone. You walk into a cafe to have a cup of coffee, but find yourself unable to do so because you can't bear to ruin such beauty. Handcrafted glass pumpkin production looks stunning and doesn't take much time. This guy could definitely become a champion in competitions for the fastest hands. For tile laying to be even and not deteriorate over time, the area for laying must be well prepared and leveled, and the process itself requires special skills to properly align all the joints. Mounting foam is used as one of the methods of insulating rooms because it is quickly applied and has a low cost. Electric workers on high voltage poles look more like acrobats performing complex tricks. Don't you think these guys have lit too many fires for a regular barbecue? Painting an entire ship is not an easy task even with a sprayer. We wish them much strength and patience. What else can lift your spirits early in the morning, like perfectly trimmed bushes in front of your house? Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.